Hello, in front of me I've got Piaggio Medley S. In this video I'll show you how to manage this scooter. In the beginning let's take a look at the steering. Right here we've got two brakes, acceleration stick, start-stop function, mode to manage display and ignition. Now you've got the key in ignition lock, horn, and thanks to this button you can enter the seat drawer. Just like this. You have to press it and hold, and it's unlocked. Right here you can put the helmets. In here we've got the front lock with USB port and battery inside of this drawer. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.